In binary system we have two numbers, so the base is 2. Let's have a binary number consisting from 8 bits. At the end of binary number we write letter B, small letter b, to distinguish it from any other number in decimal system. Each binary digit has its position in binary number. We count from the right hand side to the left hand side, so it's in this case from 0 to 7. To obtain the decimal value of the binary number, the one has to take the binary number digits that are equal to 1, because zeros counts to 0. We only count the ones. Each one has to be multiplied by the base, which is 2, in a power of the digit position. So, in this case, we will get 1 multiplied by 2 in a power of 7 plus 1 multiplied by 2 in a power of 4 of 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 in a power of 2 and plus 1 multiplied by 2 in a power of 0. Here we have to know what the 2 in a power of something is equal to. Here we have the main that could be often met, so it's 2 in a power 7 is 128, 2 in a power of 4 is 16, etc. So from here we obtain that 128 plus 16 plus 13 will be equal to the 157.